How to remove space between the paragraph in Microsoft Word. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show the perfect process. So guys, let's start the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Microsoft Word and I have some sample paragraphs here. So you can see there is a space between the paragraphs. So how you can do, how you can minimize or remove the space, I show you. Let me zoom in to show you properly. Okay, so first you need to select that paragraph where you want to remove the space between. So I just select these two paragraph only. Here we need to go in the home. Under the home you can see the option called paragraphs. Okay, this is a tool for paragraphs. So here you can change the align and color and all about paragraphs. So here you can see the option called line and paragraph spacing. Just click this tiny arrow, down arrow, and you can increase the space between the line from here. You can also customize space between the line, and here you can see the option called remove the space before paragraphs and after paragraphs. So we need to remove this, sorry, remove this. So we need to use this option, add space, remove between space, sorry, let me select another two, and we need to use this remove space before paragraphs. Then it will be remove. So you need to just select all and remove this. Okay, that is how it's work. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.